Instead, particularly for cardiovascular deaths, there's been an incessant week-on-week excess mortality for months and months in the young and middle-aged. Every age group's affected, but the 50 to 64-year-old age group has had it worse, and I'll declare an interest. There has been...
I told you, they don't need you when you're 50. They already own all your kids. They've already pimped out all your kids. They're already being pimped out in their teens. What do you mean? You already have them on friggin' take them to your modeling agencies and your fashion shows and bikini competitions and whatever when they're little kids. I see them on here on YouTube, friggin' dancing on poles, little kids. You people are disgusting. You've pimped out all your children. There's nobody left. They don't need you when you're over 50. And like when Ukraine, bro, they just take all that land for themselves and they build what they want for it, just like Rodney Dangerfield, friggin' in, what's that movie there? In Caddyshack, and they just keep on building, bro. They don't need you. They already pimped out all your kids, bro. Now they just take whatever they want from you. Don't you understand that? Yeah, we're going to go back to Doc Campbell.
Conclusive evidence of very high levels of DNA contamination in the mRNA vaccines. Why does this? Well, it matters because that DNA gets into the cells. The lipid nanoparticles in the vaccines take it into the cells.
Your video a little.
From the cells, it can hang around in the cytosol of the cell,
the cytoplasm and all the other parts of the cell.
And it's the of the cell, the cytoplasm of the cell. And it can also get into the nucleus of the cell, which of course has the DNA, the deoxyribonucleic acid, the very recipe of our lives.
Well, I try telling this to people.
Contaminate that.
They say it's not. It
gets into our own DNA. That changes the nature of our DNA, and that is a mutation, and that's how we get cancers.
That's right.
And there's other mechanisms by which cancers can be caused as well.
Right, there sure are. So there are a couple other things of why they have to make war to keep it all hidden.
The plasmid DNA and SV40 promoter enhancer.
I know where that is.
Pfizer, BioNTech, and Moderna.
Capital of communism in Canada. Democratic People's Republic of Canada.
So a bit of a mouthful is the bacteria in your poo.
That's what it's made from. That's right, Doc.
The billions to hundreds of billions of DNA molecules per dose.
Of hundreds
in the modified
RNA
per dose. COVID-19 products were present in those vials.
That can't be good, Doc. You know, I'm no
these
genius.
These are the vials
but that can't be good.
Products tested exceeded the guidelines for residual DNA set by the FDA and WHO of 10 nanograms per dose, and they were exceeded by 36 to 627.
Rules for thee, not for me. Did you hear that, bro?
So that